Hey, if you got a Kawasaki Mule 610 or 600, you're going to check this. And if this video helps you, please subscribe. It really helps my channel. So this is my old Kawasaki. I bought her new in 2017. The other day I was riding around. I kept hearing tick, 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 tick. At first I thought I had too much compression. And then my oil light came on. And when I checked the dipstick, and I'm going to post the part in the description that you're going to need. So I realized the dipstick was bouncing out. So I push it back in and blow back out. At first I thought I had too much compression, but come to find out, after doing some research, a bunch of forum and researching Kawasaki, that little rubber grommet, because it goes into a metal hole there, the heat over time, the expanded contraction actually wears out the grommet. So all I needed was a new dipstick, and I put the link in the description for these things. They're pretty much all the same. But I put the new dipstick in there, put it in there, and I've got about 30 hours on it since I changed it now. No issues. So that's the tip. Hope it helps. If you have any questions, leave me a comment. Please like and subscribe.